Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nick and today we will talk about how to use Canva Dream Lab. Let's get started. So as you probably know, Canva Dream Lab is a powerful AI tool, and by using it you can create a very beautiful images. Here you can see a lot of examples, and today we will try to create my own AI image. Well, what will you imagine today? So as you can see at the top right, now in the free plan I have only 20 points. And of course I can upgrade my plan and get more points. So the first thing we need to do is just describe our image in this field. Just type here something. So here is my prompt, a girl sitting on a bench in the park. By the way, just below this field you can find 3 buttons. You can add an image to guide your creation. So it means that your image will be generated from your this image. By clicking on the second button, you can change a style, for example, smart, macro, illustration. So let's select, for example, this one, smart. This is a universal style. And the last button, the select aspect ratio. Here we can change it. So in our case, I think we need to use this one. And after that, you can just click on the create button right here. Uses 1 credit. As you can see, as I told, now I have 20 credits. So let's click on create. And there are 4 images. So as you can see, for only 1 credit, we're given 4 generation options. So this is how it looks like. Let's click on it. A girl sitting on a bench in the park. So okay, and by the way, you already can download it just by clicking on this button. The third result and the last one. So this is what this service is. I really hope my video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel and put a like under this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.